Monkey Behind the Counter, and we're doing the Bean Battles Challenge.
Yay! Bean Boozlee Challenge!
Which?
KK, and go follow me on It's Michaela.kk.
I'm about to have my phone, okay?
And we are going to see which ones we... Now, some of these we're going to do automatically in a point, and then some...
When we do like all of them, and then we're going to just start... Okay.
And then some we're going to just pick out and see. I'm going to spin once, she's going to spin once, and she's going to spin once. Then we just pick out the same color and see which one it is.
Okay.
So, let's see what we get.
Coconut or...
Spoiled milk. It's,
Coconut or spoiled milk.
I think it's this one. You can bring this out so you can see.
Yes, that one.
Yeah, because the other one's got little spots in it.
Mm-hmm.
So we need to find 3 just like this. There's 2.
I'm scared.
Okay.
There's 3.
Okay.
And it's coconut or spoiled milk.
Don't eat it yet
Don't
until
eat
the
it.
count of 3.
When
So you have to eat it on the count of 3. You cannot fake like it's
3,
nasty.
2, 1.
Oh! Oh my god!
Oh!
Ah!
That was nasty.
Like you can't. You sure you got the bad one?
I think we all 3 got the bad one on that.
I know. Oh, they so nasty.
Look.
My turn.
Yeah. It still tastes nasty.
I know. I just know. Ah!
Okay, we get the polka dot, tutti frutti or sticky sap.
There's 1.
See 1.
2. Is that the...
I want the polka dot.
It doesn't have blue on it. I don't think.
No. Let me see this thing. Which one's...
Right there.
That one's right. That one's right.
Is this one right?
No, that's coconut something. I think. No.
No, that one I already had.
Oh, well, then I see it. No, that's not it.
Oh!
I think the one you just had is
Right
it.
here.
Yep, that's it right there.
Yeah, that's it. Okay.
Alright,
I want
that.
that. Oh man, I
need this
want that
one.
one.
Alright, it's Tutti Frutti or Sankey Sock?
Tutti Frutti or Sandy Socks. 3, 2,
2, 1. Not bad. I got Tutti Frutti.
Me too. 2, are you eating it?
She got Sankey
Sit
Sock.
down.
Sit down, because you're not in frame when you do that.
Are you sure you got Sandy Socks? Wow, good.
Mine's Tutti Frutti.
Okay.
I got Tutti Frutti, y'all.
Ooh. Berry blue or toothpaste? I love both of these. I love toothpaste. Berry blue.
Is that it?
Got one.
Which one?
That one.
Man, they're everywhere.
Is that it? Make sure, because there's some light ones and there's some dark ones. Or is there just one blue?
There's just one blue. There's
Okay.
a lot of toothpaste.
Hey.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, I got toothpaste.
I got berry blue. I'm getting a lot of good ones.
Toothpaste. I taste the peppermint.
But who?
Berry blue. Can we just like go around till we do all of them? You got it. Ugh. Oh my god, it's gonna be so nasty.
Which one is
I got
that?
toothpaste.
This one?
What is it? Caramel corn or melty cheese? Ugh.
Which one is that this one?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we got fine.
Oh, I just saw one. Ooh, sorry. And then here's another one.
You got another one for her?
I want this one.
No.
No, two. That's not
it.
No, it's right here.
Ready? One.
One.
Two.
Wait, I think hers is darker than ours.
Hers is darker than ours. Do we have darker ones?
Yeah, right there.
Yeah, so you had that one.
That one.
It's kind of like a yellow and a pink.
This.
Here.
Ready? One.
1, 2, 3.
Right.